Hello, welcome all. So today we are going to learn science, and this is the last class of this chapter about force and pressure that we have started. We have already engaged in 6 days of learning, and this is the seventh day of this chapter and the last day. And the objective that we are going to use today is that we are going to solve sums using formulas. So to do a quick revision, what we did in the previous classes, we have studied about force, we have studied about what are contact forces, non-contact forces, we have studied about balanced and unbalanced forces. Then we saw about pressure and relation with area. Then we saw what is atmospheric pressure. In the last class, we saw what is beyond force. So any liquid exerts a force, and if there is any object in any liquid मतलब water, ऑयल, उसमें कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट डालते हैं तो वो जो लिक्विड होता है वो जो ऑब्जेक्ट हम डाल रहे हैं पानी में उस पर एक अपवर्ड फोर्स लगाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड बियॉन्ड फोर्स. And we saw this. Then we also saw the conditions of buoyancy, that if the beyond force, the upward force is greater than the weight of the object, then the object will remain afloat on the surface. If the beyond force is less, मतलब जो ऊपर फोर्स लग रहा है वो कम है और वेट ज्यादा है तो वो चीज नीचे नीचे आ जाता है, इट विल गेट्स इनटू द बॉटम. एंड इफ बोथ आर balanced, then it will float inside the water. Then we saw the factors affecting beyond force. There were two factors. One was the volume of the object, and we saw volume of the object is the space occupied about it. एक object कितनी जगह लेता है, that's the volume of the object. So greater the volume of the object, greater is the beyond force. And second is density of the water. So again, greater the density of water, greater is the beyond force. These are the two conditions that we saw. Okay. Then we saw about Archimedes principle कि स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, कि बियॉन्ड फोर्स की ताकत कितनी होती है. तो बियॉन्ड फोर्स की ताकत उतनी होती है जितना वो ऑब्जेक्ट जो पानी में जा रहा है वो कितना वाटर डिस्प्लेस करता है. मतलब एक ऑब्जेक्ट पे कितना बियॉन्ड फोर्स लगेगा, व्हाट विल बी द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द बियॉन्ड, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू द वाटर डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय द ऑब्जेक्ट. So we saw this. I'm giving a quick revision. Today we are going to do 4 formulas and then we are going to solve. So the first formula is this, which we have already learned. Pressure is equal to force by area. So first formula is this. You have to write down in your book and also sort of by hearted. We will be requiring it in our class. The first formula is pressure upon area. The second formula is density upon volume. So this is the second formula, which is density upon volume. Okay. The third formula that we are going to use in our class today is this, relative density, which is the first formula is pressure, force upon area. The second is on density is mass. Third formula is relative density, that is density of a substance in upon density of a volume. So any substance is there in water, uska density kitna hai upon density of water, that will tell you ki relative density kitna hai. Okay. And the last formula is force is equal to mass into acceleration. Please write down all the formulas in your book and then we are going to solve some for it. Okay. So the first sum that we are going to solve is this. If force is 200 newtons, this is the force, and area is 20 square meter, then find pressure. Then what are the steps to do this sum? The first step is this, where you will write what's given to you. So what's given to here, we are being given force. What is the force? Force is 200 Newton and area is 200 square meter. Then what is the next step? Next step is to find out, is to write what to find out. The first step is to write what is given. The next step is to write what to find. So we are finding pressure. The third step is to write what's the formula. So the formula here is pressure up. Pressure is equal to force upon area. And then we have to just put the values. For example, we'll again write the formula. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Force is 200 Newton. Okay, so we write force के बदले 200 Newton. The area, okay, I will write this. So force के बदले I wrote 200 Newton. Now area is 20 square meter. So area के बदले I wrote 20 square meter. Then if we divide this, which can be done by long multiplication method, So the number that is down comes out, which is 20, and the number that is inside, that is up, comes inside. When you solve this thing, please solve it in your book. The answer you'll get is 10. And we are finding pressure. So the unit for pressure is nothing but Pascal. Okay, so the unit for pressure is nothing but Pascal. So the final answer is 10 Pascal. Please, if you want, if you have not understood, please watch the video again. Okay, pause it, watch and write this in your book. Okay, then second sum is how is a similar sum. If mass is equal to 500 kg and volume is 20 cc's cubic centimeters. Okay, cc is cubic centimeters. Then find density. So the first thing is to write down what is given. Here, what is given to you? Here you are given mass and volume, and you have to find out what is density. Then write down what's the formula. Formula is density is mass by volume, and then solve the sum. So again, mass ke badle 500 and volume ke badle 220. And when you solve this using the long division method, so you will get this answer. Okay, it's very easy sum. So I'm going a little fast. That's all for today's class. Please write this down. When we come to the Zoom class, we'll study the next type of sum that is about relative density. Okay. Thanks.